our previous video that about the headlamp restoration. Some people give us feedback that we take out the headlamp. How about if the headlamp is attached at the car? Is it possible to do it? Yes, it is. We're going to show you all how we're going to restore back our headlamp on board. Okay, so this will be the first step. So first of all, we will use the masking tape to masking up all the area that we don't want to sanding, and we will use several type of the sanding paper to sanding out the oxidized layer. Started from the smallest number 240, followed by 600 and 800 and 1002. So if you guys want to see the detail of the instrument or the equipment that we use, you can check out our previous video at the link below. So we have done the masking part. Next is the sanding part. 240, 600, 800, 1002. So this is how it looks like after we done sanding. And another thing, just want to mention again, this masking tape actually is to protect your car paint. When you do sanding, that time it will not hurt your paint.